So this person traveled, all right, to Germany. So it's the same person. He's in Germany and he's looking for a place to stay where he can rent and stay. But he could not find. Then his pastor, who is a millionaire, decided to take him in and gave him a place to stay. Now, he has been staying there. He now said that he listened to my teaching, or some of my teachings, and understood that he's supposed to be doing something for the pastor. So he decided that every month, he started sending some money to the pastor, some small money. That the money he's sending to the pastor is small because the pastor is rich, but to him, the money is big. So he's not feeling like, maybe, I hope he's not trying to insult the pastor or he's doing something stupid. Should he stop sending the money? So that's the question that this person have asked. Now, I will give you this answer and I will say this to you. Number one, you said you were looking for a place to stay, to rent, and you were going to pay. I want to ask you, if you got the place before, let's assume that you got a place, you did all the things you're supposed to do, and you started paying your rent. Let's say that that place you got is your pastor that owned the house, but you did not know because you met with an agent, a real estate manager. Let's also say that your pastor did not know that you were the one that rented the house and you're still coming to church. You're still doing everything you're doing well. Would you have issues paying your rent? No. You pay your rent. What I'm indirectly telling you is this. I will advise the right thing to do is the amount of money you budgeted to pay for rent for the kind of house you are looking for is what you should give to your pastor. Except the house that he has given you is not up to the kind of house you were planning to get. But find out that kind of house we are staying, in that area you are staying, how much does it cost to pay to get that kind of house? Pay the equivalent to your pastor. Listen, nobody that is successful is a fool. You can foolishly make money, but you cannot foolishly be successful, because success is not about money. Nobody at the top is a fool. Once you are below, you are down. The person knows some things that you don't know. So I'm speaking from a place of experience now. You should not only even be paying the house rent, you should find other things that you can do for him. Because that same person that was willing to take you in and give you a house is also willing to do other things for you. The Bible says that he that is faithful in little is faithful in much. It didn't say will be. It didn't say shall be. It didn't say may be. It said is. Is in mathematics means equal to, automatic. If you can be kind here, it means that you can be kind here. If you can be kind small like this, it means that you can be kind big. If you can love small like this, it means that you can love big. That's what it means. So, if you are wicked small like this, it means that you can be wicked big.